Assalamualaikum and a very good morning, students. How are you feeling today?
Teacher.
Waalaikumsalam,
I'm
teacher.
good.
Waalaikumsalam,
Okay,
teacher.
great. Okay, so welcome to our class for today. So before we begin, I'm going to ask you, which one do you think is bigger, the elephant or the rabbit?
Elephant.
The
Can
elephant
someone?
is bigger.
Right, the elephant is bigger. Okay. The next one is, which one do you think is the tallest? The giraffe or the sheep or the mouse?
The giraffe
Giraffe.
Correct. The giraffe,
is
right?
tallest.
Okay, so the giraffe is
Yeah.
the tallest one. So actually, that's what we're going to learn today. We're going to learn how to use comparative adjectives and also superlative adjectives. So what are comparative adjectives? So we use comparative adjective to compare two people or two animals or things. Usually we only add er to short adjectives like small and fast. So they will become smaller and faster. We also add more with longer adjectives like beautiful and dangerous. So the comparative form would be more beautiful and also more dangerous. And also for comparative adjectives, we must add than, the word than, to show what is being compared. Okay, let's take a look at some examples. The first one is, the Pacific Ocean is deeper than the Indian Ocean. Okay, can anyone tell me where is the adjective?
Deeper.
Deeper. Okay, so the adjective is deep, right? It's deep, and the comparative form would be deeper than. We just add er and also the word than to compare the Pacific Ocean to the Indian Ocean. Okay, the next example is, polar bears are more aggressive than pandas. So, which one is the adjective?
Aggressive.
Aggressive. So for longer adjective like aggressive, we have to add more and also than. Okay, is that clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, what about superlative adjectives? So superlative adjectives is used to compare more than two people, animals, or things. Unlike comparative, we just compare two things, right? So for superlative adjectives, we have to add est and also the article the. All right. So the adjective small here would become the smallest, and also fast will become the fastest. Okay, so for longer adjectives, we use the most plus the adjective. Okay, so for beautiful, it will become the most beautiful, and also for dangerous will be the most dangerous. Okay, for some examples, all right. Antarctica is the coldest continent on Earth. So the adjective is cold, the word cold here. The superlative form is the coldest. Okay, same goes to the next example. The dolphin is the most intelligent sea animal. Okay, so for the longer adjective here, we add the most. It won't become the most intelligentest. We just add the most without est at the back. Okay, is everyone clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now let's do some exercises. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to think of the answers for all of these questions. Okay,
Okay.
is everyone finished?
Yes.
Okay, can I have the first volunteer to share your answer?
Me, teacher.
Okay, go ahead, Mala.
The Amazon rainforest is the largest forest in the world.
Okay, correct. It is the largest. Okay, so Mawa have used the correct form of superlative adjective. Thank you, Mawa. Okay, next person, please. Anyone?
Me, teacher. The
Kinasura.
storm is stronger than the wind.
Okay, correct. Stronger. So for this sentence, we use comparative to compare the storm and the wind. Okay, next question. Anyone can try?
Me. The golden
Okay, Howard.
eagle has the sharpest eyesight of all birds.
Okay, correct. So Howell has just used the superlative form, which is the sharpest eyesight. Okay. Next question.
Can I answer, Cher?
Sure.
Okay. So the anaconda is the longest or biggest snake in South America. Longest.
Longest. Okay, that's correct. Both are acceptable as long as you use the correct form of superlative. Okay. Thank you, Isla. Okay, for the last question, can I have Atik?
Yes, teacher. Um, so a hurricane is more powerful than a thunderstorm.
Okay, also that's also correct. We use the comparative form, which is more powerful. Okay, good job, guys. You seem to understand the lesson very well. For the final practice, every one of you must construct one sentence using a comparative adjective and one sentence using a superlative adjective. Okay, I'll give you some time to complete the sentences, and I have choose two students to answer. Let me know if you're done.
Then, teacher.
Okay. All right. Okay. So, Mawa, can you share your answer using comparative or superlative?
I'm going to use superlative. So my sentence
Okay.
is the crocodile is the most dangerous animal in the swamp.
Okay. Is that correct, everyone?
Correct.
Correct, right. Mawa has used the correct form of superlative adjective. Okay, for
Yeah.
comparative adjective, can I have Atik?
Yeah. So the river, my example is the river is longer than the lake, which is comparative adjective.
Okay, correct. So you just used the comparative form for long adjective, right? Okay, so I see you have mastered the usage of comparative and superlative adjective. Okay, so that's basically the end of our lesson, but I would like one of you to perhaps share um, the moral value that we have learned. Yes?
Maybe, maybe because for this class we kind of compare animals and nature. I think the moral values I can actually tell for this class is maybe we can accept that every animal and also nature is different in their own way. Ah, they are
Yeah.
different.
Correct. Okay. So we have to appreciate, right? Appreciate the differences of the animals and the nature, right? The diversity. Okay. So we just learned how to use comparative and superlative adjectives. And okay, that's basically it for today. Thank you, everyone, for your attention. I will see you next week. Okay. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Thank you,
teacher.
teacher.
Thank you,
Thank
teacher.
you.